Welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to book an Uber cab.
So here you have to open the Uber app. Just a minute. So having opened the Uber app, you can see you'll be reaching to this homepage. So here what you have to do is directly at this point enter pickup point. Just click here and it will automatically try to get your location from the location enabled Android phone. It will suggest us which is the location from where you want to be picked up, or else you can have the saved places as well. For now I don't have any saved places, so I'm going for whatever it is suggesting me for pickup. So here you can see it is showing me my place over this map. So I just go back and once again enter pickup. I enter this and where to. So where to, you can add something. I'll give railway station which is very near to me. So once I press that, it is hardly somewhere around 5 minutes away from this place, which is 4 to 5 kilometers from here. So once you do that, it will suggest automatically all these things available, whatever is available here, like Uber Go, Uber Moto, Premier, Uber Go Sedan, Go Rentals, everything it will suggest. So you can take, or even SUVs are also available but at a higher rate, so you can choose according to your needs. So here you just for example, I select this car, so it's around charging somewhere around 200 rupees from here. I'm okay with that, and I'll just press here Uber Go. So once I do that, I have to confirm this Uber Go, and once I confirm this, I'll be having this car. So you can choose the mode of payment as well, either it is cash, Uber Cash, or normal cash, or you can add some payment method as well here, your credit card, Paytm gift card, or Amazon Pay. So for now I just cross it, and you can see that once I confirm Uber Go, one car would be allotted, and in map also you can see very nearby 2 Uber Go cars are available. So it is also showing which cars are nearby, which will be readily available for me to book. So this is how easy it is to book a car in Uber, book a cab in Uber. So friends, that's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel Infotainment to get more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.